Hi everyone, welcome back to the Handy Dandy Bee. My name is Marie and today we're going to be tackling a simple yet essential DIY project, a cement slab for a walkway. Whether you're looking to create a sturdy path in your backyard or just want to know how to work with cement, you're in the right place. Let's learn together. Come on, let's go. Okay, first things first, we need to prep the area. I've cleared out any debris and leveled the ground to make sure our slab will sit nice and even. A level base is crucial for the durability and stability of our walkway. Honestly, it was probably the longest process of this whole project. The digging of the dirt and making sure that it was level. This took me some time, but no job's too tough. Next up, I'm setting up the forms using some 2x4s. These forms will act as a mold for our cement, defining the shape and keeping everything contained while it sets. Make sure your forms are securely staked into the ground and properly aligned. To save some money, I made stakes out of scrap 2x4s and cut them to create a point. This way, I didn't have to spend unnecessary money. Okay, on this next step, I'm using a tamper to make sure the surface is level. A level base is essential for a stable, long-lasting cement slab. Now I'm wetting the dirt before adding the cement. This helps the cement bond better and prevents it from drying out too quickly. Now for the fun part, mixing the cement. I'm using a 50-pound bag of Quickcrete, which makes this process super simple. Just add water and mix until you get a thick, consistent paste. No need to worry about the ratios. Quickcrete has got that covered for you. Now, if you have a cement mixer, that makes this process so much easier than having to actually do it yourself with a shovel and mix it up. It made it a lot easier for me. With our cement ready, it's time to pour it in. Start from one end and work your way to the other. Make sure to fill all corners and edges. We're using a rake to spread it out evenly and press it in. I love how much my wife just goes with the flow with me. I say, hey, I'm gonna do a DIY project, and she says, let's do it. I'm here to help. I love that about her. Thank you, babes. I'm pretty sure you guys are all wondering, why is she just doing the raking? Don't worry, I got you covered. Let me take over for a little bit. Once the cement is poured, I use a screed to level the surface, ensuring everything is even. Then I go in with the trowel to smooth out the top. This step is key to getting that professional looking finish. Honestly, I was really scared about the leveling part because it seemed like it just wasn't, I don't know, it just seemed like it wasn't working. But with a little bit of patience, I got it done. Well, I gotta say, I got really excited and I don't have a video of me removing the 2x4s. I don't know why. Like I said, I just got really excited to see the end result. Looks pretty good if I say so myself. And now I painted the slab with this light gray cement paint, and honestly, I didn't really like it. If you see here, I don't like the color. It kind of has like a blue tint to it, so that's why I stopped. So I think I might continue with it being white. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. And there you have it, a brand new cement slab, perfect for a walkway. I hope this project inspires you to take your own DIY adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more handy projects just like this one. Thanks for watching the Handy Dandy Bee. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.